Oh, this is my bunso. Ready going to school again. And how about ate? Where is ate? Ate?
Hello.
Yeah.
I'm short.
Yeah?
I'm short.
What you gonna say? So you make it now.
I'm a kindergarten.
So you're gonna be get late.
I'm a kindergarten.
Come on, quick. Oh, thanks Lord. Thank you. Medyo magaling na ang anak ko. Yan. Janessa. Feel better, baby? Feel better? Ning? Where's Nathan?
John.
Yeah, come here.
John.
What you gonna say, babe? What you gonna say? What you gonna say, Noy?
Say kumusta? Kumusta?
How's everybody? You just... So how you gonna say? How you
Hello
gonna say to everybody?
Hello everybody. How are you today? How are you today? Are you good? Are you fine? Yeah, I did.
Mabuti magaling na si nene ko. Mamaya, kung okay ka lang sana di papasal sana ni Papa. Mga mamaya o bukas na lang tayo mamasyal, okay baby? Tomorrow we can go out. Huh? So what you can say, baby?
Hello.
Nasa labas na kami. Ito, yung dalawa. Oh, Noy. What are you gonna say, baby? Good morning!
Good morning.
Good morning to everyone!
Good morning.
Siguro mga 30 minutes, 40 or 30 20 minutes yung biyahe namin papunta roon. Ito yung highway na tinatawag na 404 papuntang up north. Ito, nakarating rin kami sa walk-in clinic. Oh, si bunso ko inantok na, nakatulog.
We're in the clinic, everybody. We're waiting for the doctor. Or it's gonna take long, or it's just for a few minutes. Bye bye.
Hello, baby. Hello, baby. Janessa, how's it going?
Good.
What the doctor says? Ano sabi ng doktor?
Viral flu daw.
Tapos?
Ang kagandahan, wala pa siyang pneumonia.
the
So,
whole
kailangan
thing?
continuous yung kailangan overlap yung pagbigay ng Tylenol at saka
Mommy, can you help me to open?
Okay, inom ka muna.
At least,
Pag
Mommy, I need help.
share with Nathan. So, inom ka na muna. At din,
thank you, baby. What are you gonna say? Thank you, ate.
dapat pala binilang ka na ng tig-isa nila.
Anong medication yung Tylenol?
Tay. Advil.
Advil.
Okay, kuhanan ko ng ano para hindi sila mag-away.